What is going on, Supra channel? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we have a different scenery. It's actually dark outside. No birds, so that's a good thing. You're not gonna hear that bird chirping in the background. This should be a pretty quick one. It is an exhaust install on my car. I went ahead and changed my exhaust once again. This is probably my 6 or 7 exhausts over the years on the Supra. The reason being, the last one that I had was a Tomei Extreme Titanium exhaust. I'm gonna put some sound clips down below so you guys can hear. So you can have the before and after. The reason I parted ways with it, I like the way it looked. It sounded nice, but the clamping design was what's not V-band. It was just kind of like a slip-on clamp with tension springs on it. And obviously when you get on the two-step, it would just pop out and just kind of go all over the place. And it actually ended up coming out of place and actually burned my bumper a little bit. So I was not happy about that. So as soon as that happened, I parted ways with it. I sold it. I had this one for a couple months already. I honestly had just not gotten around to it. I had projects. This thing is still here. And just kind of just work from everybody, man. I actually haven't had time for my car, so I actually decided last minute, that's why it's dark out, to go to Cars and Coffee tomorrow Sunday. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the exhaust and make sound clips, guys, because believe it or not, I've been having a couple friends that have been asking dearly for sound clips. I guess they want to go with a different exhaust, maybe with a PHR, and this is gonna be it's gonna be a first for me in the sense of I'm actually gonna leave the blue, see how it looks with the anthracite. Maybe it doesn't look that bad. I know AZ Supra out in Arizona, I know it's that other anthracite, but he's got dark wheels. He has it like that. I asked him for pictures and it actually looks decent, so I'm gonna try it myself. See if the blue kind of convinced me. If not, it's a simple, just a V-band. I could just take it off and take it off. And I actually have Robert's car here, so he has that PHR exhaust. I actually pushed him together because he had an HKS before. On his, we did take out the blue, top polished, and it looks very nice. On this car, it does sound different because it's a high compression car and it sounds very, very nice. So that's what kind of sold me on it. Again, last minute, guys. It's dark out. It's Cars and Coffee tomorrow. That's why I want to go ahead and install it. I'm tired of rolling around open and down pipe. It's just too annoying, to be honest. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. You obviously hear the birds in the background, so it's I want to say 3 days after we started the exhaust install. Here it is on the floor. The reason I had to stop is because the mid pipe and the exhaust was actually about 2 inches short. I'm going to post a picture down here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Here is the mid pipe after I got it back from my fab guy. The 2 inches that we welded on, he cut off the V-band that was here and extended 2 inches after that, and actually went ahead and installed a new V-band ring or a clamp. Let's see here. Good thing here is all the brackets are already installed, so it's literally just lift up the car, start with the mid pipe over there, mid pipe to down pipe, and then mid pipe to the rest of the exhaust, and then just kind of put the rubber hangers on, and that's it. So it should be pretty straightforward, and we'll have a sound clip for you guys shortly. All right, all wrapped up here. I'll show you really quick. There's the V-band with the exhaust in the mid pipe. Perfect 2-inch extended. Bracket over here. Obviously you have the one on the other side. Here's the tip. I kind of wanted it to, you can see if the brackets are in here on top of the tire. I kind of wanted to stick out about finger, 2.5, like about 2 fingers from the bumper. I kind of like seeing it from the top. I don't like it being flush with the bumper. I like the tip to be a little out. Still not sure about the blue, how I feel about it. I'm gonna probably leave it on there, see how I feel about it. If not, I'll take it out and take out the blue and just have it polished. All right. Alright guys, remember it's dead cold right now. I don't want to rev it up until it gets a little warm. But sounds pretty quiet. I thought it was going to be a little louder, but nice deep tone to it. Alright guys, well there you have it. Pretty quiet, to be honest. It's a lot more quiet than the, well, not a lot more, but it's definitely more quiet than the Tomei. It doesn't have that loud high pitch to it that the Tomei had. Maybe because the actual muffler part was a little smaller. But it is a little more quiet. It's a little deeper, but it's just not as high pitch. Just not as high pitch. If I could put it in, you know, sound perspective. I'm not sure if the GoPro picked up the audio okay, but yeah, definitely a lot more quiet, which is you know, different. I kind of wanted something a little more quiet. If I ever want something like open downpipe, I could just, you guys saw my downpipe had has that cutout for that butterfly or cutout valve that I had, you know, but I took off, so I could just simply take out that plate and it just kind of comes out to there. So if I ever want to make it louder, I just take it off and roll like that. So that's always a plus. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. It's another exhaust change. I know a lot of guys are into like changing wheels. I have kept my wheels for almost 18 years now, and I'm the opposite. I change exhaust instead of wheels. So this, like I said, this is probably like my 7 or 8 exhausts over the years that I've owned the Supra. So this is a little different for me. I'm gonna see if the blue grows on me. If not, honestly, I'm gonna take it off and get it polished and just have it all polished. So I'm not sure about that yet. I think maybe the polish with the wheels and the no tints on this car might flow a little better, but who knows. We'll leave it at that. See if I have a change of heart. If not, it's gonna come off. All right guys, remember to like the video guys, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later guys, thank you for watching.